ase oroboti urwo aboroki wani go baboriwe kworokia chimbwa chindonge anene ekero baringa somutumuko bwa masomo na boigo kubeka omukia chinga kya baburi boigo baboriwe kworokereria abana babo kibabwenerete gokora ayangorengana no mwalimu monene we skuru yabamura ya Nyamache eyo gotoka sebunge ya Bobasi Peter Lunani oyo boigo bakagukwanira igoro muroberio OCBC anene junior secondary school na boigo gukwanira igoro ya mariganio ya matemwa manene a KCSE muri Keitonde Stephen nekira nase skuru eyo na utwariganira roboti wa bene
kalenda y'Kisemi nigegenderete kweringa na chiskuru gochaka gosieka kwana nalivaga saba orokiwa bagoisaransa matemwa manene gotwara chinga kichinyororo choko yarigania. Lunani Peter no mwalimu monene o Nyamache boys.
Wazazi si lazima uwe mkali, lakini jaribu kumfanya mwanao pia aelewe sababu ya kusoma. Hatutaki ikifika Januari 23 shule zitakapokuwa zikifunguliwa iwe kwamba tunapokea wanafunzi ambao wamekuwa ombwe tupu fikirani. Wameketi nyumbani kwa muda mrefu, hawakusoma, wanapofika muda wa juma moja mnawapa mtihani alafu wanashindwa kufanya lolote. Let them be able also to visit libraries. Let them also be able to have group works. Let them have friends who are going to help them.
Nonye erusake gocha no mochengo ye no boteneri bwechi skuru gotware biro byokobeka emeroberie kalenda y'Kisemi ekobwatia Nyamache boys terare makeboikeranu kwarigania abana ba grade 7 ogochika goisekorwegwa basome imechi secondary.
Nyamache boys as a school today, I want to be very sincere. We are prepared, of course, because we are an established boarding school, but we are not a confirmed establishment as far as CBC is concerned in terms of books, in terms of teachers. There are many other gaps that we really need to fill before we really get 100% prepared.
Ogo saba kwagatia babwatani b'Kisemi na serikali kwenekia buna abaorokia ba junior secondary banyalire konyora amaoroki gwaikiranete amo nebinto biganeiri.
We first need to create space for them to sleep. 2, we need more than 1 classes, because I know that there are schools out there that have never gotten CBC classrooms. And also, we need training because a 3-day training for a teacher who went through 4 years of university education may not be the best. So in-service courses can still come in to assist teachers.
Buna sukuru chinde chionsi Nyamache boys nigegenete buna nero beretike boikeranu asamatemwa manene a KCSE alebosio.
Currently have 156 candidates that we have prepared well, I believe, despite the shortened academic calendar.
Nonyeche skuru siganirete kwero beliposibo gosieka kwaya nigo bono mwalimu monene gwe skuru ya Nyamache boys anyalire gosaba abana kwene kibuna mbaga ndeli chimbu chingia aso mutimo kora anyare ko mutimo ko mutambe go ikomutinyo mutanga nibo mwaka gwechiri bwibere na 23 ko reporter ya Ndizi TV korwa iga ase skuru ya Nyamache boys gotoka ime bunge hapo Basi ime county ya Kisii elietaliane Ndemo Stephen
Miyamono muri Keitonde Stephen ase